Disruptive here. You are absolutely the most important person in your entire universe, the one that will affect every decision you make. Your entire life is lived through your eyes, your interactions with the world and those around you, your thoughts, and how you interpret events, relationships, actions, and words. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about how to love yourself. What you need to understand first. Your relationship with yourself is the most defining factor in shaping the kind of life you live. The less you love yourself, listen to yourself, and understand yourself, the more confused, angry, and frustrating your reality will be. But when you begin and continue to love yourself more, your entire life improves. You believe you are completely lovable. You feel worthy of your dreams. You know beyond a doubt you are good enough, attractive enough, and talented enough without the approval of others. But self-love isn't easy. You are your own biggest critic, as they say. But why is this self-love so difficult? Have you ever found yourself fixated on a mistake you made? How about when someone made a criticism about you? Bad news frequently draws more attention than good. The reason for this is that negative events have a greater impact on our brains than positive ones. Psychologists refer to this as the negativity bias, and it affects our psychological state. Now think about this. As you watch this video, you are not actively paying attention to the loud sounds from the street outside. However, now that your attention has been called to the sounds outside, you notice it. That's the attentional filter in action. Our ability to attend to the things around us is limited, so we have to be picky about the things we pay attention to. This, in turn, means that the world ends up looking like whatever it is you're focused on. Scary, right? So in simple words, if you are having trouble loving yourself, there is nothing wrong with you. It's a side effect of negativity bias and attention filters, further exacerbated by media culture and the modern world. But loving yourself is a skill that can be learned and mastered. By proactively engaging in self-love, you are building yourself up for happiness and a future that you deserve. Here are the 4 steps below to aid you along your self-love journey. Stage 1. Forgive yourself. Think about the last time you hurt yourself with your own self-critical words. Allow yourself to be vulnerable, as this will allow you to find where your wounds are. Write down everything that happened. This technique is called mind mapping and helps you see where your negative thoughts are coming from. Stage 2. Practice mindfulness when negativity arises. Think about a time when you were not happy with yourself. Based on this situation, write a letter of encouragement to yourself from the perspective of a close friend, since we are often kinder to others than we are to ourselves. In this letter, let go of the thoughts that hinder your self-love and read it to yourself when negativity arises. Stage 3. Shift your mindset. Uncover positive ways to love yourself to help you accelerate your growth. One thing to help you shift your mindset is to say positive affirmations about yourself. Say these aloud when you're feeling down. It may feel strange to you at first, but it is a useful and powerful tool to use when practicing self-love. Stage 4. Lean on loved ones. While you keep track of your self-love progress, strengthen relationships with your loved ones who support you. Come up with ways to communicate better with your loved ones when you're feeling down, and establish a go-to activity when you realize you need to take a breather. Thanks for watching! Hit the like button and comment below on how you'll begin your journey of self-love. Make sure to subscribe to my channel.